Hello everyone, welcome to Prodigy. Press the subscribe button and get more videos. Let's see the paid Excel course for free. This course Zero to Hero in Microsoft Excel Complete Excel Guide 2020. Actually it is a paid one, but use the link in our description and get this course for free. It's a new one which is updated in May 2020. 86,000 students have been already enrolled and 4.4 rating, which is a very good one in Udemy. You can scroll down and see the requirements description. You can see what are all the things you will get, like you will be getting a verified certificate of completion if you complete the course, and you can see what you will be reading, what you will be gaining from the course, what are the things will be covered in the course, like you will be learning about formulas, formatting data, charts, Excel, analytics, bonus lectures, everything is there. So this course is for both beginner level and intermediate and for expert. Even if you don't have prior knowledge in this, that is in Excel, you can still learn this and gain the Excel knowledge. It will be a very useful one, currently trending in industries, and it's a free one which is at the rate of, actually its rate is 12,800. Use the link in our description, you will get for free. It's just for 20 hours, so make use of it. If you like this video, drop a like, drop a comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Let's meet in next video.